Welcome back. This is an Aleks training video on calculating an equilibrium constant from an equilibrium composition. The equilibrium constant gives you an idea if you're making more products or more reactants. The way it gives you that idea is if you have a high concentration of products and a low concentration of reactants, then it must make more products. So it's actually really simple. You're going to have K sub C, some kind of a concentration constant, is going to be the concentration, that's the molarity of your products. So in this case, I've got H2, okay, raised to the coefficient that you see in front of that on the balanced equation. So H2, that's a 1, all right, so that's going to be raised to the 1 power. And now multiplied by the second one is I2. It's one of the reactants. It is also to the first power, so it's going to be to the first power, divided by the reactants. So the reactant is the concentration of HI. Okay, and now I look, and it has a coefficient of 2. That means that this has to be raised to the square. It's squared. Now, these brackets are representing concentrations at equilibrium. It's the bracket representing the molarity when they stop moving, when the right and the left kind of equalize and you're having the rates are the same, then you look at the concentrations, and whatever the concentrations are, you know whether, if it's a big number, you've got more products. It's a very little number, you have more reactants. So you're simply going to take the concentrations they give you here and put them into this formula. And that's it. So what do we got? We've got H2 has a concentration of 1.3 molar. Okay, I2 has a concentration of 1.1 molar. And HI has a concentration of 1 molar, but it has to be squared. Okay, so that's K sub C. So 1.3 times 1.1 equals divided by 1, divided by 1, do it twice. Now you know that when it's 1, squaring doesn't mean anything, but I still do it anyway. Okay, so that's going to give me 1.43. And now I look and it says round to 2 significant digits. So I have to round to 1.4. Okay, pretty easy.